Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So njengoba senizwile about ifinal yeNedbank Cup. Final yeNedbank Cup isikhishiwe ke bafethu kuzodlala iOrlando Pirates versus iKaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs yona team ke ezobe ipreferred as the home team against the Orlando Pirates. Yabo they will get some certain privileges. Yabo lapha eMoses Mabhida they will get izinto njengoma change rooms. Yabo ubona bazokhetha ithi mapha ama change rooms angcono abazowasebenzisa. Yabo izinto ezikanjalo nje namajezi abazowasebenzisa. So njengoba kuyiSoweto derby, it's a big game. I don't wanna lie, it's a big game. Ade sagcina ukuyithola iSoweto derby ezodlalwa eThekwini. Many people were saying why le derby ledlalwa eThekwini. Yabo, why does Moses Mabhida always get to host ama cup finals? Last season they hosted the MTN final. Even this season, yabo, at the start of the season they hosted the MTN final. The Carling knockout final was hosted by le club le No, it was hosted in Bloemfontein versus Mamelodi Sundowns and Imakisi FC, where we saw Imakisi FC clinched the title against Mamelodi Sundowns, beating them 2-1 in that cup final. Yabo. So yeah, iKaizer Chiefs is already winning. I'll do a review, I'll do a video talking about that game. So I want to talk about the game le. Yabo. Uthi izodlalwa eMoses Mabhida. In 2 weeks time. Actually in 3 weeks. Yeah, in 3 weeks time we'll have 2 Soweto derbies. They'll play in FNB and they'll play. Next time we'll have 3 in 3 weeks time we'll have 2 Soweto derbies. One will play in FNB and one will play in Moses Mabhida. You see, during the start of March, there was rumors circulating that DHL Stadium was going to host the Nedbank Cup final. And many people were saying, yeah, it's a good thing that the Cup final is going to Cape Town. You see, it wasn't confirmed yet that the DHL Stadium will host the final. Yeah, but many teams have to do the bidding. I did a video explaining that many municipalities go and bid for hosting these cup finals. You see, I'll play a video here and you guys, you see, ngizodlala ivideo la, leyo video leyo izoqhamisa kabanzi, like izokhanyisa ukuthi what actually happens during the process of selecting the teams, actually selecting the stadium that will host the cup final. Yeah, but what is the process that is required about to be made? That is why Moses Mabhida always gets nominated to be the stadium that will be used to host finals. Yeah, but Moses Mabhida angazi kuningi Moses Mabhida coverage, not Moses Mabhida iyodwa, like the accommodation of the team, the accommodation of the referees, the accommodation of the fans, the transports, everything ikhona is organized. Yabo organized in Moses Mabhida. So kulula for Moses Mabhida uthi care to then other stadiums. Yabo ama stadiums amaningi akukho mnandi ukuthi akhethe, because mayekhetha kuba khona inkinga. Last season, the last Nedbank Cup final was hosted by Imbombela Stadium. You saw there were many problems in the stadium because the traffic jam. Those who know the traffic jam is Imbombela Stadium last season, many people will tell you about the traffic jam. So yeah, many people are not happy with the decision that was made by Nedbank. But again, at the end of the day, they choose the best bid. You see, they choose the best bid. They choose the best guys who brought the best thing on the table, who brought the best money on the table. I don't know how it takes place, but I will share a video here to highlight izinto ezenzakalayo. Yabo.
6 of the last 7 MTN8 Cup finals have been hosted at Moses Mabhida Stadium. Here's a quick take on why the eThekwini municipality, who owns Moses Mabhida Stadium, are always the preferred bidder over other cities. Before we get to why Moses Mabhida, we have to understand what it takes to host a sporting match. And to understand that, you have to go all the way back to 2010 and the Sasria Act. The intention of the Act is to set minimum standards for safety and security at events of any kind, be it sport or otherwise. And while planning an event, a number of factors have to be considered to meet SASRIA requirements, such as a joint operations committee, which will typically include officials from both of the clubs, the league, the police, medical, ambulances, disaster management, and so on. In addition, a VOC or Venue Operations Center would have to be set up, which is sort of like a nerve center for all of these different departments to coordinate their efforts at the venue. And we haven't even factored in the cost of hiring a venue, cleaning, and things like floodlights. A typical match in the PSL could cost anywhere between 300,000 and 500,000, and for the larger matches it could go even higher depending on the size of the venue. And for an MTN 8 final, all of these costs would comfortably top R1 million. So, how does Mabhida end up being the preferred venue for an MTN 8 final almost every time? According to our sources, the eThekwini municipality's bid essentially covers everything. First and foremost, no venue hire fee, so the league would not have to pay to hire the venue. Secondly, they would pay for the flights and accommodation of everyone, including all the players, referees, and league staff. They would also absorb the costs of the Joint Operations Committee and the Venue Operations Center. They would cover the costs of medical, security, and emergency services, and a big carrot was an appearance fee for both clubs. All in all, according to our sources, Moses Mabhida's bid was well over 10 million rand. But is it worth it? The short answer is yes. To list just a few of the ways in which this makes sense for the city, consider this. Moses Mabhida's capacity is 85,000. Those people have to stay at hotels, Airbnbs, and backpackers. They also have to have food, which is bought from local shops, restaurants, and the like. A lot of these people might stay the entire weekend and see other sights and sounds around KZN. And the economic benefit is massive. In 2022, when Orlando Pirates played AmaZulu in the MTN 8 final, there were 74,000 visitors. Their direct spend was 10.7 million rand, and the economic contribution to the GDP was 21.4 million rand. And there were over 4,000 temporary jobs created. Let's answer a couple of questions that we've received on social media on this topic. Firstly, does MTN benefit from ticket sales? The answer is no. They would benefit from brand exposure. They would be able to activate their brand at the venue as well as throughout the tournament, as well as potentially give tickets away to their clients and staff. In terms of the revenue split from ticket sales, the league would retain 20%, while the two competing clubs equally share the remaining 80%. To wrap this one up.
So John Bonabafet, this guy explains each and every step ethathwayo. He explains each and every step ethathwayo. Le video le yayishuthwe ngo-2023 when Mamelodi Sundowns was going to play Orlando Pirates eMoses Mabhida nge-MTN 8 final. Imagine this video was taken way back. Yabo, yayishuthwe kudala le video le. So abantu abaningi ke abebengachazeleki. I did a video explaining this, yabo. So bengisharela le video le incane ke le video le ungayibuka nje iziphele, yabo. Ishawe Vacation Sports. So bafethu yeah, if video yabo. So bafethu yeah, igame le izobila eMabhida mfethu. Uma ufuna ama tickets kumele wenze sure ukuthi uzowathenga early ama tickets. Ama tickets kayashesha kuphela ama tickets edapi. Ashesha kuphela, yabo. Ize engakapheli lawa azodlalwa ngo-3 May. Idapi izodlala le FNB we Kaizer Chiefs futhi izobe home, yabo. So ngo-3 May iyadlala futhi idapi, mase kuthi ngomhla 10 May izodlala futhi idapi. So yeah, ischedule nje sitough kaphela bafethu, 2 weeks, 2 derbies, yabo. I'm happy that iSoweto derby final le Nedbank le, because izokwenza ama sponsors abe happy. Ama sponsors are happy already, yabo. Are happy already about this cup final, because it's been a while since we last saw these teams playing against each other in a cup final, not any other game, yabo. We saw them in a Nedbank Cup final, the semi-final, I think 2 years ago. Yeah, we saw them playing in a semi-final, yabo. So it's a big thing ukuthi bayadlala against each other again in a cup final, yabo. It was long overdue. Many people were saying Mamelodi Sundowns will win their game, but yeah, Kaizer Chiefs managed, yabo, to overcome ama doubters, abantu abayidoubt mfethu ukuthi hayibo nathi sikhona njalo. But yeah, I'm happy to say Kaizer Chiefs iyodlala. It's in my home city, Durban. I'll be there and watching the game. Yabo. For those who want to meet Uvana Sports, I'll be there. Yabo, watching the game. I'll be there with my guys. Maybe shoot some videos with the fans who want to be in the videos. Yabo, you can comment here if you want to be in the video. You can tell me. Yabo, I'll come with my camera, do some videos, interact with some fans. Yabo, maybe I'll have some match there. You see, maybe if you are a lucky subscriber, you will get a free t-shirt here Vana Sports. Yabo. You will have to prove to me that you are a subscriber to Vana Sports. If you are subscribed to Vana Sports, maybe you will get a free t-shirt on that day. Yabo. I'm thinking of doing image here Vana Sports. Maybe you can tell me in my comments if I should try and sell image. Yabo. Vana Sports lo bafethu ungakhohlwa subscriber. You can tell me the results. Wangitshela lapho uthi yiphi team ezoyiwina iNedbank Cup final. Is it Orlando Pirates? Is Jose Riviero going to win this again for the third time? No, my Kaizer Chiefs will end their trophy drought, their 10-year trophy drought with this cup. You can tell me in the comments. You see, I'm sure my tickets as a Puma maybe 13 or 24 of April, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, be prepared. Be prepared for the tickets because azophela anytime soon. Abantu bayashesha ukuthenga ama tickets. So yeah, bafethu, Mapita final once again.